What are the latest statistics on WARN Act layoff notices reported in June 2026? The newest data reveals surprising trends about mass layoffs and corporate warnings you need to know now. In June 2026, a total of 150 WARN Act layoff notices were reported across the United States. These notices affected more than 40,000 workers, signaling a significant wave of job cuts. The WARN Act requires employers to give at least 60 days notice before mass layoffs. This data highlights ongoing economic pressures and shifts in industries like manufacturing, retail, and technology. Breaking down the numbers, manufacturing companies filed the highest percentage of WARN notices, accounting for 35% of the total layoffs. Retail came next at 25%, reflecting ongoing shifts in consumer behavior and supply chains. Interestingly, technology sector layoffs decreased by 10% compared to previous months, showing some stabilization despite economic uncertainty. Regionally, the Midwest reported the highest number of WARN Act notices in June 2026, driven by manufacturing slowdowns and factory closures. Meanwhile, the West Coast, home to many tech firms, showed a decline in notices. This regional disparity highlights how local economies and industries are adapting differently to national and global challenges. Compared to May 2026, WARN Act layoff notices increased by 5%, indicating a cautious corporate outlook amid economic uncertainty. These early warnings are crucial because they give employees and communities time to prepare for job losses. Understanding these trends helps you see the bigger picture of the labor market and economic health. The latest WARN Act statistics from June 2026 reveal key insights into where and how layoffs are hitting hardest. These numbers don't just represent jobs lost, but early signals of economic shifts. Stay informed and ahead of changes by subscribing for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.